All right, I'm gonna show you how we deep fry our baby back ribs. These are pork ribs. I got these here from HEB right down the road. You can pick them up at Kroger's. These are the pork loin baby back finger ribs. They're already split and cut. And this is simple if you want to just get you a good snack. Only thing you would need is salt, pepper, and flour. You don't need all that other stuff, just salt, pepper, and flour. First, what I do, I rinse them off, make sure everything's clean. And you don't have to do this second part right here, but I do it because I want my ribs, when I bite through it, I want the poor meat. I don't want no toughness in it. So what I do is take this little film off the backside of each rib. And it's really easy to do. It pulls right off. It gets kind of slippery. If you could run some water on it while you're doing it, makes it a whole lot easier. As you can see, I'm just pulling them off. But like I said, you don't have to do this. It's just something I do. And I know a few other people do it, but if you're doing this for a big, a group of people, I don't know if you're gonna spend your time doing all of this, and this is just a very special occasion. And I don't know if anybody's that special. So once I got that film off of it, that layer, I'm just put a little salt. And pork already is a little salty anyway, so be careful with your salt. So I just sprinkle me some salt. And then what I did, get me some pepper and put on it. And you could do this same process by putting the salt and pepper in your flour. I don't. It's just, this is the way I do it. As you can see, I put my salt. Next thing you want to do is just put your pepper on there. You can use as much pepper you want. I think, to me, pepper is just more of a look than anything. It don't make it spicy or anything. So you just put the pepper, and then you take your flour. You don't put no egg yolk in there, just dip it right in the flour. I don't use egg yolk unless I have to. And I don't like my stuff thick. It takes too long to cook. And you don't know if your meat has cooked all the way through with that big, thick batter on it. So I just take some flour and just cover it with that layer right there. And that's really it. And then what you want to do is heat your grease up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, the same as you fry chicken, and cook it for about 10 minutes. That's it. Once it's 10 minutes, you're ready to go. So the grease is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see I'm putting my ribs in there. You don't want to cook it no hotter than 3. You could cook it at 375, but once you get up to 400, only thing you're doing is just burning your grease and really cooking the outside of your meat, not all the way through. So 350 to 375 is great. Like I said, cook it for 10 minutes, just like you cook chicken. And once you finish cooking it, you good. You're ready to either you can put any other seasoning you want. I like to put barbecue sauce on mine. So now it's done cooked for 10 minutes. As you can see, it's golden brown. I'm taking it out. And you can dip this in barbecue sauce. The best way to do it is warm your barbecue sauce up. And I'm just cooking these for this video, just showing you how. But I usually warm my barbecue sauce up and pour it on. And it's good like this, like fried barbecue ribs. Yeah. And there you go. That was my Christmas dinner yesterday. I had some greens and beans. And I'm going to have my ribs right here. And we're going to give it a try. Get me a
look.
Yeah, you crunching there. Is it good?